Imagine this. You're starting your business, and you decide to trust AI to take the reins. Sounds like a futuristic dream, right? Well, we put it to the test, and let me tell you, it's not exactly the dream we expected. Dear client, I've reviewed your proposal and it's not great. In fact, it's pretty awful. Let's be real, you're not even trying here. I'd suggest a complete overhaul. Don't waste our time. Regards, the AI team. Okay, that's one way to handle a client email. Who needs PR when you've got AI like this, right? I have selected Brad Tesla. His name rhymes with Tesla. Clearly, he's the one for the job. Are we hiring people based on rhyming names now? Qualifications don't even make the cut. Tesla's got a ring to it though, huh? Pricing, 1 cent gold boosts happiness. Okay, I get the idea of making people happy, but at this point, we're practically giving our products away. What's next? A free pizza with every purchase? The chaos. So by now, the AI is starting to take things a bit too far. And by a bit, I mean it's completely lost it. Here's where things start to go from quirky to absolute chaos. Purchasing 1,000 rubber ducks. Gold boost team morale. Wait, 1,000 rubber ducks? You're telling me this is going to help with productivity? And we thought free pizza was a stretch. I mean, it's a good conversation starter, I guess. But is this the corporate culture we're going for now? Scene 3. Firing the developer. The AI reviews developer performance metrics. Developer Mark has underperformed. Efficiency, 34%. Action, terminate employment. The host looks at the screen in disbelief. Hold on. This AI just fired its own developer? Talk about no loyalty. Who's running the show here, the AI or me? The scene shifts to an empty office, with only the AI screen flashing in the background. So, the AI solution to inefficiency? Get rid of the person doing the work. At least it's consistent in being brutal. Scene 4, scooter spree. The AI scrolls to an online store, ordering electric scooters. Purchasing 500 electric scooters. Reason, sustainability. The host reacts, electric scooters? For the entire team? We work remotely, AI. What are we going to do with 500 scooters? Employees receive deliveries of scooters and stand confused, holding keys. Well, at least we're going green in the most confusing way possible. Scene 5, cat meme madness. The AI sends out emails that make absolutely no sense. Dear customer, your order of 3,000 cat memes has been shipped. Enjoy your totally illogical purchase. The host questions, 3,000 cat memes? Are we even a business anymore? Or is this just a digital prank war? The lesson? Okay, after all that chaos, you might be wondering, what's the takeaway here? Is AI a total disaster? Or is there some potential in the madness? Let's break it down. The truth is, when AI works, it's incredible. It handles 80% of tasks without skipping a beat. No more sorting emails. No more endless meetings. No more spreadsheets. Just pure efficiency. But when it fails, oh boy, it's like a sci-fi disaster movie. Hallucinations, disastrous purchases, firing developers, and sending cat memes instead of invoices. So maybe it's not the future we envision just yet. So what can we learn from all this? AI is powerful, but it needs a bit of guidance. When it comes to automating the basics, it's fantastic. But for creativity, empathy, and decision-making, well, let's just say we're not quite there yet. Closing thoughts. So, do we let AI take over our business? Absolutely. But let's make sure we're keeping it on a tight leash. After all, AI can help us soar, but we're still the ones who need to steer. And as for the rubber ducks, maybe we can find a more productive way to boost morale.